Hey everybody, and welcome to our channel, the #1 place for everything blockchain. Today, we're going to talk about types of blockchains. Yes, did you know there's more than one type of blockchain? In fact, there are 3 major types that power the digital world today: public, private, and consortium blockchains. And each one is unique in its approach to decentralization, access control, and use cases. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between these types of blockchains, their use cases, and how they impact the future of technology. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more blockchain insights. So first of all, let's do a quick recap on what a blockchain actually is. If you're new to the term, don't worry. It's super simple. A blockchain is basically a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions in blocks that are linked together in a chain. Each block contains data, and once it's added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or removed, ensuring a secure and transparent way of storing information. Now that we're on the same page, let's dive into the 3 main types of blockchains: public, private, and consortium. First up, we have public blockchain. As the name suggests, a public blockchain is open to anyone. It's decentralized, transparent, and permissionless, meaning anyone can join the network and participate in the consensus process. This allows for a high degree of transparency and security, as anyone can view and verify the transactions on the blockchain. Some popular examples of public blockchains include Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's take a look at some of its key features. Public blockchains are open and accessible to all participants, without the need for permission or control. They are highly decentralized, with no central authority governing the network. Instead, the network is maintained by a distributed consensus mechanism, such as proof of work or proof of stake. The data on a public blockchain is also immutable and transparent, meaning all transactions are visible and cannot be altered or deleted. This allows for a high degree of trust and accountability among network participants. Next, we have private blockchain. Private blockchains, on the other hand, are restricted to a specific group or organization. Only authorized participants can access the network, and transactions are not publicly visible. Private blockchains offer greater control and flexibility, allowing organizations to tailor the network to their specific needs and comply with regulations. An example of a well-known private blockchain framework is Hyperledger Fabric. Let's check out some of its features. Private blockchains are permissioned, meaning access to the network is restricted to authorized participants only. Transactions are typically faster, as there are a limited number of participants on the network. The data on a private blockchain is not necessarily transparent and can be tailored to meet the specific requirements of the organization. This allows for greater control over data privacy and security. And finally, we have consortium blockchain. Consortium blockchains are a hybrid of public and private blockchains. They are controlled by a group of organizations rather than a single entity, allowing for a more collaborative approach to blockchain usage. This type of blockchain offers a high degree of security and transparency, while still allowing for some level of privacy and control. Some examples of consortium blockchains include R3's Corda and Energy Web. Let's look at its key features. Consortium blockchains are semi-decentralized with a distributed network managed by a group of stakeholders. Access to the network is permissioned, meaning that only authorized participants can view and interact with the data. The data on a consortium blockchain is not fully transparent, but can be shared among a limited set of participants. This allows for greater control over data privacy, while still providing a high degree of security. So there you have it, a breakdown of the 3 main types of blockchains: public, private, and consortium. Each type has its own unique characteristics and use cases, and the best choice for a particular application will depend on the specific requirements. Whether it's the transparency of a public blockchain, the control of a private blockchain, or the collaboration offered by a consortium blockchain, these technologies are transforming the way we do business and interact in the digital world. So now that you understand the differences between these three types of blockchains, which one excites you the most? Are you ready to embrace the transparency and security of public blockchains, the control and flexibility of private blockchains, or the collaborative aspects of consortium blockchains? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the different types of blockchains. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.